got the brake pads in. Now, you have some of this brake quiet lubricant grease. You can put it on the outsides of the pads. This keeps it from squeaking, but you don't want to get it on the actual pad material. You just want it on the back of the pads, both sides. Just a thin film of it. It doesn't take a lot. Okay. Make sure that's on. And you may have to compress this some more, which I will have to do. Sometimes it's not back far enough because the new brake pads are thick. So you just compress this a little bit more. Alright, that should be good. Go, slides right on. Push this down a little bit. And now these, you don't need to put Loctite on these. You don't want to put Loctite on these. Only the caliper bolts. Only the caliper bolts. Tighten that up. Make sure it's tight. Make sure that's tight. Alright. Then you put the tire back on.